The future of OB is one big question which organizational behavior experts would like to address. Often it is thought that management and organizational behavior will finally merge into one discipline, and as more and more knowledge about human beings and human nature will come to the fore, the importance of organizational behavior will grow. There was a time when organizational psychology as an independent discipline was on the periphery of management literature, but gradually organizational behavior, the new incarnation of organizational psychology, has come to the forefront as one of the most important disciplines in management. In the years to come, the importance of organizational behavior will grow more as the nature of organizations will change and they will become more and more organic from the present day mechanical entities which they have been. And as organizations become organic, the focus will be on human potential, human nature and human behavior. And it is here that organizational behavior will play the critical role. We have been often trying to find out why does a man work or a woman work, and the question has been bothering the psychologists as well as the management experts for ages. The first recorded research on management was on this very basic question, why does a man work? That was the basic underlying principle of F.W. Taylor when he tried to find out the ways and means to improve the productivity of the human beings. To my view, the last research, whenever that will be carried out, will also be on this very question, why does a human being work? So, from what motivates, which made Taylor start his famous experiments, to what motivates when the end of management literature will come, whenever that will be, I think there will be no other subject to discuss. The one and only issue will be what motivates, and that is the question which OB will have to find an answer to. In the latest researches, we now realize the difference between what we were assuming about the human nature and what we are finding him to be. One of the views expressed about human nature was that a happy worker is a productive worker. Of late, it is now realized that the reality is otherwise. It is not a happy worker who is the productive worker, but a productive worker who is the happy worker. The implication of this is that the more you enjoy your work, the more productive you become. And as and when this reality will dawn on more and more organizations, the importance of human nature will come to the fore. Classical psychological studies have proved that a normal individual usually expends 10% of his latent intellectual capabilities. The issue will be how to increase this 10% to more than 20, 30, 40 and so on. However, the fact is that even if we can improve this 10% by another 1 or 2%, the performance of an ordinary individual will close down to excellent. I think organizational behavior has a great future, and without organizational behavior, management theory and practice cannot be imagined of.